take your rice, put in a container, and then pour water in, leave it to settle for some time. Add some water so that you have enough water that covers on top of your rice. Then rinse thoroughly like that. So that you have the rice water, which is nutritious. Take another container and a sieve so that you sieve like that. You sieve the water to separate the rice water from the rice, so that you really remain with the rice water. Here it is, yeah, like that. Then squeeze some lemon. Lemon will help in that it won't be smelly, because many people have complained that the rice water do smell a lot. So if you do not want your rice water to smell after it ferments, add some drops of lemon, and it also helps because lemon has also some nutrients which are also very helpful for your hair. Ensure shake very well so that it mixes together. Here with me I have rosemary dried leaves. Just crush them on your hand to add on the rice lemon water, so that it also adds some nutrients, because rosemary is good, very nice. It also increases the strength of your hair. So if you do that, and then ensure it mixes very well, if you have the powder, the real powder of it, it will be much better. Though I have the leaves which are dried, so I used them. I'm putting on a lid, though my lid is open, and I really want it to cover everything so that it be darker. So I will use my hairband to tie on top of it, so that it ensures that no lights penetrate in, so that when it is in the dark, it will be much easier for it to ferment. Yes, like that. Ensure that everywhere it is airtight and light tight. Yeah, there it is. It is airtight.